Imagine you're happily coding away, trying to sort some numbers using AlgoBuild. You confidently put together your program, run it, and suddenly you hit a roadblock, an error message about an array index being out of range. What a problem to have. Now, let's delve into the solution to this hiccup. The key fix lies in adjusting the loops. Specifically, make sure your loop variable doesn't reach the value of d itself. So, change the condition to id in the loop where you have I equals 0, id, I equals I plus 1. This tweak ensures that your array indices stay within bounds. Great progress so far, keep it up! Next up, let's keep optimizing the code by focusing on another crucial part. In the loop where you have j equals I plus 1, jd, j equals j plus 1. The same principle applies. Prevent j from reaching the value of d to avoid those pesky out-of-range errors. By making this adjustment, you're safeguarding your array operations and steering clear of potential issues. It's all coming together nicely. To wrap it all up, remember the important lesson here: always keep those array indices in check by ensuring they stay within the defined bounds. By making a couple of straightforward adjustments in your loops, you successfully tackled the array index out-of-range error and set your sorting program on the right track. Keep coding smart and happy sorting. Well, that wraps up our troubleshooting journey today. Remember to stay vigilant with those array indices and keep refining your coding skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Until next time, happy coding!